Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see, especially when, remember, the crypto markets are open 24/7. So my goal here is that, let's just say you're watching this Sunday evening, I want this video to still be relevant to you. And in order to do that, I realize the chart may look different if you're watching this it is going to look different if you're watching it on Sunday evening, but let's keep things relevant to you. And by doing that, I want to talk and walk you through a couple overall questions that are based on some of these broader levels. So the very first question you need to ask yourself, again, and we'll just go Sunday evening. So you're watching this Sunday evening, ask yourself, well, where does the price currently stand relative to the 64.50 mark, which has been the key level of support I've been tracking in past videos? If you are answering that the price is still up above it, well, then nothing drastic is going on from a bearish perspective. Sure, maybe the price is, maybe down somewhere around here, but as long as it's above that green line, then like I said, sure, the price is pulled back, but by no means has anything drastic occurred from the bearish perspective. Now, if you are answering the question, well, actually, Clay, the price is down below 64.50, at that point in time, that would tell you that the weekend is, definitely going in the bearish favor. And the next immediate question you would need to ask yourself is, where does the price stand? Let's get this off the screen real quick. There we go. Where does the price stand relative to the 63.60 area, give or take a little bit? If somehow you're answering the price or that the price is down below that level, then that would be telling you that the bears have been having a very, very powerful weekend. Now, I highly doubt that's the case, especially right now. Very, very little movement over the past 24 hours. And you combine that, volume almost not existent. It's barely even registering on the radar there. So unless something drastic happens, I doubt any of these would even be tested. But those are the first kind of set of questions to ask yourself. The other set, and I should probably get this actually mapped out now that we have plenty of data. So the next set of questions would be, assuming the price you answer is above 64.50, well, where's the price at relative to right up here at 66.50? If the price is up above 66.50, then that would imply that, hey, the bulls are having a nice little weekend. Now, what separates a nice weekend from a very, very powerful weekend? That would be if the price can actually get up there above 6,800. So if you're answering the question on Sunday evening, oh wow, when I'm watching this, the price is actually up above 6,800. Like I said, that would imply the bulls are having a very powerful overall weekend. So use these general levels and use those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant to you so that you know exactly where the chart currently stands, no matter what time you're watching this. So I plan on being back Monday after the market close at 4 p.m. Eastern. But until then, yeah, use these levels and questions. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.